Have you ever noticed something strange? Two people can earn almost the same salary, yet 10 years later, one is financially free, while the other is still living paycheck to paycheck. How is that possible? Is it luck? A better job? Or is there something else most people never notice? Let's imagine two friends, Alex and Ben. They're both 25 years old. Both earn exactly $4,000 a month. Both start with almost nothing. At first, their lives look identical, but they make one small decision differently. Every month, Alex spends almost everything he earns: a newer phone, a nicer car, more expensive clothes, a few more subscriptions. Nothing crazy, just small upgrades. Ben also enjoys life, but before spending anything, he puts part of his income aside, not because he's richer, but because he treats saving like a bill that must be paid every month. After that, he invests what he saves, not looking for a miracle, just slowly and consistently. 1 year passes, then 5, then 10. Alex now earns more money than ever before, but somehow he still feels broke. His lifestyle kept growing with his income. Every raise became another reason to spend more. Ben also earns more, but every raise increases his investments before it increases his lifestyle. That's the difference. Most people think becoming rich is about making more money, but often it's about keeping more of the money you already make. There's another difference. Most people work for money. Rich people try to make money work for them. Think about it. If you stop working today, your paycheck stops too. But imagine owning something that continues earning money while you sleep: a business, investments, a rental property, or anything that creates income without needing your full attention every single day. That's why wealthy people spend so much time building assets. Assets put money into your pocket. Liabilities take money out. A brand new phone loses value. A luxury car loses value. But an investment can grow for years. Here's where things become really interesting. Have you ever heard of compound growth? Imagine you invest $100. It grows to $110, then $121, then $133. At first, the numbers seem small, but over time, your money begins earning money of its own. It's like planting a tree. You don't get shade on the first day, but if you keep watering it, one day it grows without your help. That's how wealth is built, not overnight, but over years of small, consistent decisions. There's another mistake many people make. They try to look rich before they become rich. A luxury car, designer clothes, the newest phone. These things make you appear successful, but appearance isn't wealth. Real wealth is usually invisible. It's the investments people never see, the savings nobody talks about, the habits repeated quietly for years. Here's something worth remembering. Rich people don't always buy expensive things. They buy things that can eventually buy more things. And that's a completely different way of thinking. Does this mean everyone can become a millionaire? No. Life isn't equally fair. People start in different places. Some face challenges, others never will. But understanding how money grows gives anyone a better chance of improving their future. At the end of the day, becoming wealthy isn't about looking rich. It's about building a life where your money works as hard as you do. Because income pays today's bills, but assets can pay tomorrow's freedom. If this video changed the way you think about money, welcome to MindSketch, where simple drawings explain the hidden psychology behind everyday life.